Alright, so this is a checkup of the...
Mom, come here. This is doing something really wrong. Like,
Oh, dear.
really, really, really wrong.
That's cool.
Really, really, really wrong. Don't touch it. It's mine. You can have it.
What's it supposed to be?
It's supposed to be a
Did you
GP.
put glue on there?
Yeah.
Well, work was fine. Amanda made a surprise visit. Oh, fun. Okay, well.
Hand it here, I guess.
Well, I had a trash can down there.
What? I want it though.
What?
Can you keep those sticky paw things in the laundry?
In the guinea pig laundry, yeah. Alright, we're gonna turn this off. And I will troubleshoot it in a bit. Okay.
But we're not going to start it till the morning.
Wobble. Whoop.
Bye.